In 2024, a series of space missions conducted by global agencies and private observers unearthed some of the most extraordinary findings of the century, many of which were quietly buried under technical reports and obscure scientific conferences. But today, we're going to uncover them all. Get ready for a journey across time, space, and the unknown. It all began in January 2024. A group of researchers analyzing deep space transmissions detected a highly structured radio signal coming from a star system 200 light-years away. The signal repeated every 17.3 hours with a pattern that resembled prime numbers, a sequence that rarely appears in nature without intelligent design. At first, it was dismissed as a pulsar anomaly, but further analysis revealed shifts in the frequency that almost mimicked a response, as if something out there had noticed us noticing it. By March, a probe orbiting one of Saturn's icy moons picked up an unexpected emission of hydrogen and methane gases, both possible signs of microbial life beneath the moon's frozen crust. What stunned scientists was the consistency and temperature of the gas, which implied not just the existence of subsurface oceans, but hydrothermal vents, one of the key ingredients for life as we understand it. In April, a near-Earth object previously thought to be an asteroid was found to have a hollow core. A second observation using deep penetration radar suggested that the object's internal structure was geometric, almost like scaffolding, naturally occurring, possibly, but the angles were too perfect, the symmetry too intentional. No one has officially confirmed it's artificial, but no one can explain it either. June 2024 brought the most controversial discovery of all. A solar observing satellite captured footage of what appeared to be a massive object moving across the sun's surface, then disappearing into it. The object left no burn trail, no debris, and didn't follow a ballistic trajectory. Plasma distortion around the event raised questions about whether the object was bending space itself or whether it was even from our dimension. Later that summer, a deep-sea sample from a recovered meteorite that landed off the coast of Greenland revealed microscopic crystalline structures, unlike anything found on Earth. They exhibited self-assembling behavior in water and responded to infrared light by altering their configuration. Scientists working on the analysis warned that the samples should not be exposed to electromagnetic fields until further tests were conducted. One lab didn't follow that protocol. 3 weeks later, all data from that facility mysteriously vanished, erased, as if it never existed. By September, telescopes peering into a remote region of the Andromeda Galaxy caught what can only be described as an energy arc, almost like a bridge connecting to distant points in space. The arc pulsed every 7 minutes and emitted exotic particles that defy our current understanding of quantum mechanics. Theories about stable wormholes were quickly revived, though most officials refused to comment publicly. In October, Earth's magnetic field experienced a sudden, sharp fluctuation lasting only 12 minutes, but enough to knock out GPS signals over the southern hemisphere. At the exact same time, auroras were observed over equatorial regions, a phenomenon that has never been recorded before. Strangely, a series of low-frequency tones was picked up by deep-sea hydrophones, tones that seemed to echo the same rhythm as the radio signal detected back in January. Finally, in December 2024, astronomers monitoring a rogue planet in the outer reaches of our solar system noticed something chilling. The planet, which was previously believed to be on a stable trajectory, had suddenly changed course slightly, but undeniably, the shift couldn't be explained by gravitational pull or collisions. Some believe something on or inside the planet is steering it, and it's heading closer. Not a single one of these events was declared as definitive evidence of alien life or interdimensional travel. But together, they form a pattern, a whisper from the void, a trail of breadcrumbs that hint we are not alone and never were. Now ask yourself, why didn't the world hear about this? Why were the stories buried or brushed aside as anomalies? Maybe because the truth is too big. Maybe because we're not ready. Or maybe, just maybe, someone or something is trying to reach out. And 2024 was only the beginning. If you've made it this far, then this journey means something to you. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button like it's your destiny. Like this story if it moved you. Share it with those who need an escape, and leave me a comment, because your voice matters here. This is just the beginning. Is this story inspired you even for a second? Don't just scroll, hit the like button. Thank you for your support and watch.